Ross, in manufacturing, it's not if, but when something goes wrong. And I want to know, how does MC Machinery support their customers?
Well, customers have three ways to communicate with us. One is through our customer portal, two is through email, and three is calling directly to our level 1 group. There, that group will route that call to the appropriate product line. At that point, that gets answered by one of our technicians, and they will either solve the issue or elevate that to a field service call.
And from the field service call then, if it's not resolved at that level, what happens?
There are a couple ways we approach that. One is we go in more advanced troubleshooting with more of a senior engineer, or if that doesn't work out for us, we will bring in our factory representative.
How long does it take for a customer to get a hold of someone here at MC Machinery?
The customer will talk directly to somebody initially. They will log that into a CSM, customer service module, and that will be put into an unassigned queue. That queue is put across the country with our remote techs that might not be on site at that point. They will get a phone call back, and at that point, we're trying to keep that time under 30 minutes or less.
We've been talking about service, but what if your customers need parts?
We stock over 30,000 parts in our warehouse worth over $16 million. Our goal is to keep our customers' machines running 24/7. Let's go check out our Remote 360.
Ross, what are we looking at here?
You are looking at a Remote 360 web application.
So what does that make available to the MC Machinery customers?
This allows our customers to remotely monitor job progress, production, and allows MC Machinery to remotely tunnel in to their machine for advanced troubleshooting. Here at MC Machinery, whether service or parts, we have you covered.